How to fix Roblox Rivals not working. If Roblox Rivals is not opening, crashing, or getting stuck on the loading screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few easy fixes that solve the problem for most players. First, update your phone or PC. On Android, open Settings, search for System Update or Software Update, and install any available update. If you're on a PC, make sure Windows is fully updated. Next, update the Roblox app. Open the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or Microsoft Store and check if a new Roblox update is available. Installing the latest version can fix many game issues. After that, make sure you have enough free storage. If your phone or computer is almost full, Roblox Rivals may not load properly. Delete unnecessary files or apps and keep at least a few gigabytes of free space. Also, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your router if you're on PC. If the issue is still there, restart your device and try opening Roblox again. Now, let's open Roblox, launch Roblox Rivals, and as you can see, the game is working perfectly without any issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.